knew that our sun is the center of my attraction, and I didn't say to you that she is the center of my universe, then I'll be in trouble. Fellow Toastmasters, dear guests, good evening.
Good evening.
The best laid plans of mice and men all come to naught. This was written in a book way back in 1937 by an author named John Steinbeck. And it is true for this day as well. How many of you have made plans and something or the other went wrong?
Big time.
And how many of you were sure that the cause of that plan was somebody, the cause of that plan not working out was somebody else? Wow, I've got a pretty modest crowd. But most of the time, even my first reaction would be, that person, if only he had, if only she did, my plans would work out fine. Isn't it? And let me tell you, planning is everything. Planning is everything. That's an act, putting it to paper. But creating the real world out of that paper requires us. It's not anybody else. So all your plans can come to naught if you did not plan. And all of your plans can come to naught if you did not act on them. Way back in 1927 in Santa Ana, California, or way back before the World War, when Dr. Ralph C. Smedley thought of creating the Toastmasters International, he had not planned that a person called Sanjay Hassau would be taking over the lectern to present on the 936th meeting. But look at the vision. The movement itself has grown to 126 countries. And it has more than 150 million or more members. Now, would that have been possible if he had to plan out each and every minute detail? No. He didn't have to plan out 40 years or 20 years beyond. He had to just plan out and execute each and every meeting. That they worked out the way it was meant to be. They worked out in the way the manuals were created for it. And the members got the benefit of the plans that they had made for themselves. You are here to become proficient speakers, yes or no?
Yes.
And have you got a plan for that?
Yes.
Some vague plan. For new members, you probably don't know. So, for those who are presenting their speeches today, may I ask you to hold up your, or the evaluators who are holding the presenter's manual, may I ask you to hold the manual up, please? That is these speakers' plan. That's how it works out. Week after week, month after month, year after year, they go according to the plans laid down in these manuals. And that creates the path of progress for them. A typical meeting has already been introduced to you by our president. As a master of ceremonies, I have a unique privilege of introducing the general evaluator. You have already met the general evaluator, but there are certain facts that you do not know about the general evaluator. And Sahil, since you are the upcoming secretary in the term, take note. Our general evaluator, Richard D'Souza, used to work with the State Bank of India. And for the last 4 years, he was posted in Mysore. And it is not known to many secretaries that he still reads each and every minute of the meeting, right till the last video. That's how he takes notes. So if you feel that you are in a thankless job that nobody appreciates, there is at least one member in this room who is going to read it. He is also he was the person who evaluated my first speech. And today we are going to see speakers who are either giving the first speeches or are way into the journey of the completed communication manual. So we have something called as the general evaluation session, which is the overall guiding force in our meeting. In terms of time, we first start off with a prepared speech session. The evaluators already have the copies of these presenters. These speakers have been preparing for hours, days, weeks. Somebody have been planning their first speech that even when they got into the club and even before they became members of this club. So this is called as the prepared speech. The second aspect is the table topics. You saw our president accept and concede that he was brought on over here by force of nature and by circumstances. And yet he had to think on his feet and present the presidential address. That skill is developed by something called as the table topics session, being able to think on your feet. And the third is obviously the general evaluation, and I've already introduced the evaluation team to you. So are we ready to get started?
Yes.
Is there a member in this, or is there an audience in this room who's thinking, how does this really help? Yes? No? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Questions? If you don't have questions, then your curiosity has already died. Now, if you have questions, watch and wait and observe. Observe the next sessions as they go on. And then you will learn what it makes a first speaker different from the second speaker, the person who's giving projects way beyond the first project. Okay? Yes. Language was something that was an alien language altogether. You can trust him to tell you about the history and the mystery of chemistry. Because he works in the world's largest chemical company, BASF. May I ask the first speaker's evaluator, Toastmaster Vaganathan, to read the objectives of the project, please.